It is a stormy day, like the best stormy day. Nice thunder rolling around in the sky. Like, I am loving this. So if I rush through this haul, it's honestly because I want to throw on a sweater and curl up in a blanket and watch the Goonies. You know, the usual. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started today. I already forgot what I got in this haul, to be honest. So, but this I remember. I found a new coffee mug. It's really cute. Girl boss. I just had to show this to you guys. I'm actually gonna use this as a gift because personally for me, these little terms, I don't really necessarily need them in my life, but I do think it's cute and I can completely understand why it's so trendy. And that's what's so impressive about this is Dollar Tree knows what is trendy, and I love that. It makes me excited for all the other things that they're gonna put out. All right, I found these new bubbles. I don't know how long they've been in my Dollar Tree. They just seem to be new to me, and they really caught my eye. Look at these little bubbles. Caught my eye about them specifically is that it says bubbles last and last, and that they can actually land on your hand. And it says stick 'em and stack 'em. Like, if you can just see the picture. Like, that's crazy. I've never seen bubbles do that before. So I got those, and then I found this little, I don't even know what this is, but as you can see, it has the same packaging. So, and which, by the way, has the Dollar Tree logo on it. And apparently you can fill the bubble stuff in here, and then it almost acts like a whistle. You just blow into it right there, and then it creates the bubble on this end. And you can just see from this picture's better. Just like a bunch of tiny little bubbles. I'm wondering if this solution is meant to go in here, just because this one seems to probably be maybe a thicker bubble solution. So I have no idea if this is like supposed to be a combo or not. Every now and then I'm just trying to get ready for my daughter's graduation, her graduation party, and I already have an idea in mind for what I'm going to do. So I came upon these by accident. I don't know that I've ever purchased any of these frill Pics, and I just love all of the colors. They're just your primary colors, and I'm gonna have, you know, just some like finger foods, and I thought this would be great for that. I wanted a second package, but this is the only one I found, so I need to go find another one. Speaking of graduation, I don't know if you know this about Dollar Tree, but they do put out graduation stuff. Last year I was really excited, even though everything said the class of 2018, I was excited because it looked amazing, and I knew that meant that for 2019, my daughter's graduation year, that stuff was probably gonna be even better. And I believe that it is, because as I was checking out with some of the stuff I already found, the guy that was working there had talked about how he already received the shipment of graduation stuff, but it's not going to come out until about Easter time. And he said it was really good stuff. But look what I found. I found 2 sets of thank you cards and then invitations. This is going to be amazing, you guys, for people on a budget, because let me tell you, as much as I've already spent for something that hasn't even happened yet is mind-blowing to me. I've been so focusing on how much college is going to cost that I completely forgot how expensive the last 2 months of senior year is going to cost. So I just appreciate that you can find this stuff for $8 at Dollar Tree, and it's not bad at all. So here is this thank you card. Let's move on to some of the office supplies, stationery, planner supplies. I found some more new notebooks, and they are really cute. So, ta-da! Love the mint green, kind of has a donut sprinkle effect, and it's just a notebook. This one reminds me of 80s, just the weird, random, bright, colorful strokes. And oddly enough, it says strokes of genius. I didn't even mean for that to happen. Maybe subconsciously, like my brain did that, but I didn't do that on purpose. This one says it's the little things that matter. I love this yellow side. You belong among the wildflowers. And this one is today is a new day. I also picked up some new highlighters. These are pastel colored and I'm hoping they're going to be really great quality. Jot brand, you get the 4 in here. You get a pink, a peach, which does look pinky, but it is peach, blue, and green. So I can't wait to try these out. And I've never seen these before at all. This definitely looks new and very exciting, very promising. This is mechanical pencils, but what makes them unique is that the mechanical pencil lead is the color of the pen. It has a built-in sharpener, refillable, colored lead, and it says 2.0 millimeter, which to me, I'm really excited about it because that means it's going to be really smooth and like a thicker tip. Anything under 2.0 is a little too fine for me. Sometimes I do write with that, but I typically prefer 2.0 and up. And Dollar Tree doesn't really carry anything 2.0, so I'm excited. I'm gonna try this out immediately after this video. I also got some gift bags in this navy. I think navy is just the most beautiful, beautiful color. You guys know blue is my favorite color, and if I had to pick a shade of blue, it's navy. I could wear navy my whole life and be just fine. Yeah, so you get 3-pack in here for $1. That's just a steal. This is not anything new. I've hauled these before, but I picked up these rainbow little dot stickers. These are going to be great for planning, organizing. If you need to color code any sort of system, this is going to be great. And I got this for my planner supplies. Also, this is going to be great for bullet journaling if you're into that. I found some new washi. I don't think I have this collection. It's really hard to kind of make out some of the patterns, but this gold is really pretty and I love these two color combos next to it. I picked up some invisible gel heel protectors. I have never purchased anything from the shoe section other than socks, which you know I love Dollar Tree socks, but I picked up these gel active heel protectors, and I do have some heels that rub on the back of my heel. That was weird. I almost thought I was saying it wrong, but yeah, so I'm gonna try these out. You get 1 pair in here. And I also picked up these little Band-Aids for blisters. What? I have never seen this at Dollar Tree before, you guys. This is going to be great to throw in. Look how small and compact it comes in this little case container. Throw this in your travel bag. I'm definitely taking this on vacation. I also picked up this new headband that I found in the hair accessories aisle. Look how cute. It looks like a little like bow tie. But you guys know whenever I buy headbands, it's most likely for my A5 planner. I use it to wrap it around and kind of keep it closed. And this is really cute. When I saw this black, I honestly instantly thought of Halloween. So I picked it up for Halloween time planning. So I probably own these already, but I went ahead and got them anyway because I really, really liked all of the little sticker sets they give you in here. And I thought this is not a bad thing to have multiples of. Planner to organize. This one I really liked because it has a lot of stuff that I would personally mark in my planner. You've got appointments and the washing machine on the back here. You've got laundry, you've got grocery shopping, all of these cute little things that it's just, you know, instead of writing it out, you could just use a sticker to indicate what needs to be done that way. Done that way? Girl, no, done that day. And we have some new coloring books. I actually found brand new coloring books that I do not have in my collection. I am gonna reveal my Dollar Tree coloring book collection in like one of my next vlogs, so stay tuned for that. This one says The Fantastic Coloring Book. The cover art is adorable. And then you can just kind of see some of the little options. You guys, I highly recommend coloring if you feel like you just need to unwind, de-stress, and just kind of not think of anything. Coloring's amazing for that. This one is called a Super Cute Coloring Book, and it is just that, super cute. P.S. Can we talk about this pineapple? I have seen this little pineapple image, the exact same image, wearing the sunglasses with the little circle pink cheeks, in actual decor and stationery, so which makes sense because this coloring book has Dollar Tree's logo on here. So I think that's hilarious that they're bringing in some of their characters from other items that they sell at Dollar Tree into a coloring book. Anyway, I recently just did a coloring book flip through. So if you didn't watch that video, I'll link it down below. It's from my vlog channel. If you're interested, let me know if I should do a coloring book flip through of these two books. And then these two are gonna be your adult style books. This one's really pretty. It is a stained glass one. So it's just that. Every page is basically coloring stained glass. And this one is really pretty. Definitely make sure that you're looking through the coloring books, because sometimes the cover art, I've done this myself. I'm like, I don't like the cover art and I don't even look inside it, but look inside it, because sometimes you can just find the prettiest pages to color in. I know this isn't a very good flip through, but like, look at this. This one I'm really excited to color. Next up, I found the cutest book. I feel like some of you are just going to want this so bad. It's Tidy Hacks. I only found one at my Dollar Tree. I almost didn't even see it, but it's just a book of little hacks. And look how nice the quality is on the inside. What? Yeah, so it just gives you little hacks. Look, a cheese grater, or just a grater, not just cheese, I guess, a grater, and they used it to put earrings. I mean, just what in the world? Yeah, so if this is of interest to you, it's at Dollar Tree for $1. This is crazy. Like, look how nice this book is for $1. I mean, even the pages are really thick, really, really great quality. And the very last thing, I could not believe it. I just could not, and it is picture frames. I got doubles because you know why. What? Look how nice this is. They give you the little string, the little clip, and then obviously you can fit some 4x6s in here. You could even just do one clip and maybe do like a long 5x7. What? They give you more string to hang it on a wall. I'm so impressed by this. $1. $1. I got two. This is going to go in my daughter's graduation like table setup. So I'm so excited for this. All right guys, that's pretty much it for today's haul. I wanted to make it fast, but I feel like it's a 20-minute video. Anyway, that's what I found on this trip. Let me know in the comments down below if you want a flip through of the coloring books I mentioned earlier, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope that you enjoy your weekend, and don't forget, my hauls are Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.